In this video, we're going to show you how to install the upper control arm link on your Nissan Versa, located in the passenger side wheel well. I'm going to remove our center cap here using our pry bar. I'm just going to go behind here and just gently pry this out. Remove that cap, set that aside. Using a 21mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen and remove our lug nuts. Set those aside, remove the wheel, and set that aside. Once you have your wheel off, you want to go ahead and access the splash shield here. Now there's going to be 3 plastic push pins that you'll want to go ahead and remove from this here. Our particular vehicle is missing them, so we're going to have to source those and get them replaced after. But there's one up here, there's one here, and there's one on the bottom right about here. Go ahead and remove those 3 using your trim tool. Pop those out. That's going to allow us access to just go ahead and push this in. You want to gain access to this bolt right here. We want to use our 17mm socket and our impact wrench or impact gun, and we want to go ahead and loosen that bolt. Remove that bolt and washer, set that aside. Next thing we want to do is we want to remove this bolt here that goes through the front side of our control arm and into the subframe. We're going to use our jack underneath our control arm here to support the suspension. I'm not going to raise the vehicle. I just want to put some pressure on that just to support that. I'm going to use a 22mm socket on our impact gun here. Let's go ahead and loosen this bolt. Go ahead and drop the link down, remove our bolt. Go ahead and put our bracket up into place here. I put a little bit of grease on the threads here to help that slide in a little bit. I might have to grab that knuckle and just kind of wiggle that control arm. Get that bolt started by hand first. Once we get that started, we can go ahead and tighten that bolt down. Now, for some reason, if you can't get this bolt in, you can go ahead and lower down your jack, release that, and that's going to give you a little bit more mobility with this setup right here with the suspension, and go ahead and move this around, get that bolt started. Now that we have that started, let's go ahead and snug that bolt down. I'm just going to back that off just a little bit. I want to make sure that I still have the adjustability up here. So I don't want to make this super tight yet. I want to make sure this is adjustable up top so we can go ahead and get that bolt in up there. Feed our bolt up through here. And the same thing here. Go ahead and get that started by hand. Now we can go ahead and snug this down. Let's go ahead and tighten down the lower bolt. We're going to torque our lower bolt here to 88 foot-pounds. Go ahead and remove your jack if you have one there. Torque our upper bolt to 68 foot-pounds. over here. Install your plastic push pin retainers. Once you have these two in, go ahead and install your bottom one. Get all of our lug nuts started by hand. Once these are all on, come on back and we'll snug them down. Torque down our lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. Once you have that torqued, and if you have a center cap, go ahead and pop this on. You want to go ahead and pay attention to locate that little notch. This is going to accommodate the valve stem on the wheel. You want to line that up first, and then go ahead and tap this on. You've now completed the job. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.